you're calling for. To chains, unlock the door. Unlock the door. To lift the weight from broken backs. From broken backs. And give the poor what they lack. Let mercy be the offering I bring. Let justice be my worship. Oh, my King. Then light will rise like morning sun, and healing comes for everyone. Your glory goes before my feet. Your voice will guide me in the street. When I call out, you will say, I am here. I've made a way. I won't just speak, I'll live it true. A heart made whole, a life made new, where love is more than words I say. Your kingdom